Today I'm in Switzerland, I'm in Moutier, I'm at Tornos, I'm looking at some new machines. Now I've got to say before I start this, I think we brought the English weather with us. You can hear the thunder cracking outside, you can hear the rain on the roof, but that's not going to stop me telling you all about this machine. This is the DT26 entry-level 5-axis slide-in head lathe. Now since this machine was launched about 4 years ago, Tornos have had real success in winning business selling these machines, and I'm going to tell you a couple of the reasons why. Firstly, they claim that this machine is more powerful than the competition when it comes to the turning on both the front and the back spindle. They're both of equal power, and obviously having more power on spindles means you can take deeper cuts, means you can up those feed rates, means you'll get less vibration, so it will improve things like surface finish as well. That's one of the reasons they believe they win business, by reducing cycle times as a result of that. The second is the tooling. Very adaptable machine, very versatile. On the main spindle above it you can see static tools, but they can all be changed to be milling tools or other tool holders, so it means that however you want to balance the cycle time of a component or the production of a component, you can either have, let's say, all of your turning tools on the back spindle or all of your milling tools on the front, or vice versa, in order to get the component off as quickly as possible. This machine can also run on neat cutting oil as well as soluble coolant, so you have that as an option as well. It's guide bush, non-guide bush. You can go from one to the other in 15 minutes, and it is a very, very affordable machine. Well built, built to last, agile, heavy duty, and as Tornos would say, these machines are in stock in the UK. You need to come and have a look at them in action, because they could reduce the cycle times on the manufacturing of your parts. And not only that, if you're looking to get into slide-in head turning, you're looking at Swiss type machines, then this is a very good place to start. And I think we're going to have to wrap this one up now, because I think if we're not careful, we're going to be overcome by the noise of this rain outside. But hopefully this has whet your appetite to looking at slide-in head turning.